Welcome to GFX Farhan. Hi friends, please give me few seconds. First of all, I want to thank you guys for reaching my 5k subscribers. I really appreciate your help. In this happiness, I have brought a new amazing pack for you guys. It is full helicopter pack. I included all necessary camera angles to create cinematic effects very easily. You can use this in your personal projects and even commercial projects. But re-upload of this video is not allowed. Guys, please watch the full video. It's totally 5-minute video. I work so hard to make videos for you guys, so you can give me 5 minutes. And last thing, if you want original files in EXR version, then mention in the comments. If there are more comments and likes, I will upload it and give the link in the description. And friends, if you show your love by liking my videos and subscribe my channel, then I will give you another pack of this helicopter. One is rotor wash or dust blowing effect, and second is helicopter explosion effect, like helicopter hit in the air by a rocket launcher and explode, something like this effects. Helicopter takeoff collection. I added many angles. This is back side. This is front side. So you can easily create a cinematic effect in your videos. Now helicopter flight collection. This is one pass away from head, and this is second angle. This angle like I use in my video, something like this. This is my video. If you have drone, this is back side. You can use this like that. Now this is landing collection. This is angle 1. Here helicopter landed and camera zoom in. Guys, please like and subscribe, help me. If you support me, I will give you very amazing packs of green screen, which is not available in YouTube yet.